beginning, a snow eagle flew to the sun. And the tips of the great snow eagle's feathers were burnt black. The great snow eagle became our Earth Mother, and the eagle feather lets us remember. The Cherokee dance around the fire like the eagle around the sun. The turtle shell rattles remind the Cherokee of when the great turtle appeared on Turtle Island. Today, we can see a rabbit in the moon. The rabbit is running around the turtle. Half moon is cause. Full moon is effect. On January 4th, 1994, China detonated a nuclear bomb. Then on Martin Luther King holiday, January 18th, 1994, a massive earthquake hit Los Angeles. The Victorian era began in 1838 with the Indian Removal Act. The Cherokee, Choctaw, Chickasaw, Creek, and Seminole tribes were removed from their homelands. In an effort to strengthen the unity of his people, Sequoyah created the talking leaf, or Cherokee alphabet. Luna is moon in Spanish. Tsalagi is how to say Cherokee. The English added the R because they could not say Tsalagi. Instead, they called it Tsaraki or Cherokee. If you add the R sound to the word Luna, you have lunar, the cycle of the moon. The lunar cycle is modus operandi in Latin, which is the 14 and 28 day half and full moon cycle. Half moon is cause. Full moon is effect. In 1956, Khrushchev said, "We will bury you. When you point your finger, you have three pointing back at you." President Reagan sends Vice President Bush to the burial of Brezhnev. President Reagan sends Vice President Bush to to the burial of Andropov. President Reagan sends Vice President Bush to the burial of Chernenko. September 10th, 1985, the Weekly World News reported, playful children help the Faroe Islanders butcher helpless whales. 3,000 whales a year are killed. The whales call for help, and the sound carries underwater for hundreds of miles. Their call was answered. Humphrey the whale came into the San Francisco Bay, swimming further inland than any other whale. During this time, an out-of-season hurricane came into Pensacola, Florida, up the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Juan. Then Humphrey turned around and went back towards the open bay. Hurricane Juan turned around and went back towards the Gulf. Then Humphrey turned around and went back inland. Hurricane Juan turned and came back to Pensacola. They said, "This is the craziest hurricane we have ever seen." Then one day, the scientists shot Humphrey with 2 radio arrows, and Hurricane Juan went into the Gulf and drowned 2 men on an oil platform. Mount Humphrey is the highest mountain in Arizona, located in the San Francisco Peaks. The blowhole is below at Waputki Village, just before the twin 25-foot-tall arrows. If there are no more whales, what will become of mankind? If there are no more men, what will become of whales? These are the masks people see at movies. But what did we see in the third mask? Occurrence, coincidence, trend.